How's it going everyone, it's Gadgets Boy and I'm here with Sony Mobile to check out the latest Sony Xperia XZ3. It features a 6-inch Quad HD Plus display that's powered by Sony's award-winning Bravia OLED TV technology. What that means for you is you get deeper blacks, higher contrast, you get vibrant display and amazing colours. One of my favourite features on the XZ2 is X Realities. They brought that over to the XZ3 as well, so what that means for you is SDR content gets upscaled to HDR. So when you're watching videos on YouTube, for example, it will look better than it would normally look in HD. To further improve your immersive experience, sound is also brilliant on this. You got stereo speaker, you've also got the dynamic vibration system, which means when you're watching videos, the vibration matches the visual. So again, better and great for immersive experience here. In terms of design, you get 6-inch Quad HD Plus display, that's 18:9 aspect ratio HDR OLED technology. With the size of this phone as well, I love what Sony have done here. So by double tapping the side, I'm able to load up frequently used app that I use all the time. So if I use Instagram every day and Facebook first thing in the morning, those apps will load up on the side very quickly. So I can easily reach for it and load it up without having to worry about anything else. And for those who like to take pictures, all the amazing features on the Xperia XZ2 are still here. So we've got 960 frames per second slow-mo shooting at 1080p, and you also got 4K HDR shooting as well. And I believe it's the only smartphone on the market that can shoot 4K HDR. So you never miss a moment as it happens. There's a new feature called Smart Launch. And what that means for you is, as you take your phone out of your pocket, the phone is intelligent enough to know that you're about to take a photo, and it loads up camera app and takes a photo for you as well. Or you can set it so you can capture it yourself. And if you're worried about this activating on its own, don't worry, there's a proximity sensor in there that prevents that from happening if it's in your bag. Looking at the camera interface, I also love what they've done here. So this is nice and simple now, it's easier to navigate. Swiping left and right will take you to taking photos or recording videos. And to go into capture settings, it's all in the corner. You go in the corner and all the settings that you need to do to adjust for each feature, they're all right there for you. And for those of you who love your selfies like I do, you got 13 megapixel best-in-class selfie camera on the front, and that includes bokeh effect, and you've also got beautify mode as well, so you can tweak it a little bit and make it look as best as you want it to look. Straight out of the box, this comes preloaded with Android 9 Pie ready to go. For performance, you have the latest processor chip in there, you got a big RAM ready to go. You can expand the storage as well, so if the 64 gig is not enough for you, you can use a micro SD card to get a bit more. Overall, I love the design. It feels premium, center weighted in hand when you're using it. I love the side sense technology as well. It just makes it easier to use, especially using it one-handed. And vibrant display there as well. Great camera, especially in low light. Those are the things that really matters to me. I'd definitely recommend the Xperia XZ3.